Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Our Cognitive Distortion List is an essential tool for practitioners, offering a comprehensive catalogue of irrational, exaggerated, or inaccurate thought patterns that clients may exhibit. These distortions often take the form of negative thinking and can significantly skew one's perception of reality. As a practitioner, you can leverage this list as part of CBT to aid your clients in identifying, challenging, and modifying these detrimental thought patterns. The list encompasses various distortions such as all or nothing thinking, where you're viewing situations in absolute terms, overgeneralization, where someone makes sweeping conclusions from a single event, mental filter, which is focusing solely on the negatives while disregarding the positives, and catastrophizing, anticipating worst-case scenarios. As a therapist, clearly understanding these distortions is crucial for helping your clients manage them effectively. Once your clients recognize when they're succumbing to these distorted thought patterns, they can challenge them, substitute them with more rational thoughts, and ultimately enhance their mental well-being. To use our free Cognitive Distortion List, follow these steps. Download our Cognitive Distortion List from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Explain to your clients what each cognitive distortion means and how it might manifest in their thinking. This step is crucial in helping your clients understand their thought processes better. Guide your clients to reflect on their thoughts and feelings and identify any thought patterns that align with the distortions listed. Encourage honesty and openness during the process. Once your clients have identified their cognitive distortions, the next step is to help them challenge these thoughts. Ask them whether their thoughts are based on facts or distortions. Help them develop more rational, balanced thoughts to replace the distorted ones. Using a cognitive distortion list should not be a one-time activity. Encourage your clients to routinely practice identifying and challenging their distortions. The more they practice, the better they'll manage these distortions. Cognitive distortions are normal, but if they cause significant distress or interfere with daily life, it may be necessary to explore further therapeutic intervention. Here is a sample of our Cognitive Distortion List, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Cognitive Distortion List, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.